guys, it is Brandy. Welcome back, and I have a question to ask you guys. I was wondering if you could do me a favor. I got a notification from YouTube last night, and they were saying that as of February 17th, for those who do not meet the threshold of having 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 minutes in watch time, which I do have the watch time minutes, but I don't have the subscriber count. We are at 233 subscribers, and I'm ever so thankful for everyone who has ever hit that subscribe button. It shows me that there are 200 people out there who believe in me, who are rooting for me and saying that we stand together, and I appreciate that. So I am actually going to have a giveaway. I wanted to do that at my 200th subscriber giveaway. So no matter what, even if I don't get that 1,000, which I'm really hoping that you guys will help me out and click that subscribe button, share it with your friends, let everyone know to support your girl because she needs it. I really want to have access to the Creator Studio and all the things that YouTube Partner Program has available and all the features that we can access as being partners of YouTube. So I was wondering if you guys could help me out by hitting that subscribe button. I meet the watch time threshold, but I don't have the subscriber count to continue to stay in their partner program. I've never made any money on YouTube throughout all the 2 years I've been on here, as far as for them sending me a check. So it's not about the money, but it is about having the partnership program. I love having access to the Creator Studio and all the tools that they give us as a partner. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. For anyone who sees this, share this video, have your friends subscribe, and I'm hoping that in a month we could make that goal. So if you can, please hit that subscribe button. It will help out more than ever, and I will be ever so grateful. And I am going to continue to be posting here, but please, please, please hit that subscribe button if you can. My dog means it. She's even gonna do a little dance for you, see? We have 1 month from today to do that, and I am so thankful for those 233 people who subscribe. And I do want to do a giveaway. So if we hit that 1,000 threshold in the next month, I will do a pretty big giveaway. Even if we don't, I still am going to do a giveaway. So I've been on YouTube for a couple years, and I haven't hit that number yet. And I never wanted to be like, oh, if I don't have a certain amount of subscribers, then I'm not going to upload. I'm still going to upload anyway, but I do want to keep the access to the Creator Studio and all the things that the Creator Studio allows us to have access to, and being a YouTube partner. That means a lot to me. So if you guys could help me by sharing this video, clicking that subscribe button, 1,000 subscribers by February 16th. Can we do it? I believe we can. I can't do it by myself. Only thing I'm saying is I need your help. If you can, please subscribe, share this video. I love you, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.